Hi there. My name is Bob Robinson. I'm the CEO of CIRI. We are a manufacturer of commercial cleaning equipment in the cleaning industry. I'm also on the executive committee for the Cleaning Industry Research Institute. During the last 2 years, this pandemic has really brought out how important cleaning is to human health. Our janitors and frontline workers were put on the battle lines against COVID-19, and to effectively fight and win the battle against diseases like COVID, you have to have a strong understanding of cleaning science. And I can think of no better one source to go to learn the unbiased truth about cleaning science than the Cleaning Industry Research Institute that we call CIRI. CIRI is a non-profit 501c3 organization, and it's open to any and all professionals in our industry. So won't you join me this coming Giving Tuesday in supporting CIRI? My company, CIRI, will match dollar for dollar. Every dollar you give, we'll give $1, up to $10,000. So we'll see you on Tuesday. And if you need more information, go to CIRIScience.org. That's CIRI science.org. Thank you, and God bless.